Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Explain what needs to be done. We have guys more than 200 videos on the Dodge journey. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you how to fix your car for free. So if you have that code guys, we will explain what needs to be done. Let's go inside. And I'm going to start the car and show you how the engine light is on now. Okay, engine running, check it out now. Engine light, okay, stays on all the time. So definitely guys, okay, not a good thing. So we'll explain guys what needs to be done now. Turn the car off. Okay, no brake, press that button twice to the run position right here, run. Car will not be running. Just the ignition on. We'll use that scanner here guys. Next we'll go to, okay, let me go back to read codes. And the code that we have P0023B Camshaft Position Sensor Actuator guys, bank 2. Stay with us, we'll explain what needs to be done and how to get rid of that code now. Next, we'll turn the car off. Let me explain now what is causing guys that problem. So if we go outside, okay, open the hood, bank 2 guys, okay, your bank 2 is towards the radiator side. This cylinder here, this is bank 2. The code that we have P0023 guys relates to that camshaft position actuator, okay, right here. And this is known as camshaft phaser as well. So you either have a loose connection somewhere guys, check your wires to make sure they're good. Pull them out, okay, squish here. Pull them out. Inspect everything to make sure it's good, and if you need to replace it, okay, right here there is only 1, 2, 3 bolts. Pull it out, remove it, replace it guys, and see, most likely that will fix your problem. So that's what we'll do. We'll have the video on the channel, check it out how to replace it and where we get our parts from in the description of the video below. We'll replace it and see if that fixes the problem now. So we'll go inside now. Okay, no brake. Turn these guys twice. You can see ignition on, engine not running. We'll get the computer. We'll go back, click erase code. It's processing. Now we're going to turn the ignition off, brake, start. Check it out guys, no engine light on. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out, we have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.